Alright, today we're tuning this 94 Mustang. It is a Megasquirt ECU deal. It's a 302 base. It's pretty much stock. It's got headers on it, exhaust, different throttle body, and it has the HO camshaft, so it's basically a 351 Windsor or the 302 HO firing order rather than the factory firing order. Like I said, Megasquirt ECU, pretty basic thing. Don't expect a ton of power out of it. We're just getting a baseline for now. If you like the video and you want to see more of our stuff, our tech videos, our dyno videos, please subscribe and we'll keep these videos coming. It's a ragtop car. This thing's got some interesting stuff in the floor of the passenger seat. I'm wondering if it used to be, I mean, it doesn't look anything like it, but I'm wondering if it used to be some sort of a police car. It's got a mount in the floor and some different electronics. I'll just show you a second. Kind of weird. I don't know what that mount there's for. But yeah. This thing starts and seems to run okay right now. I haven't done anything other than just drive it up here. So for a Megasquirt car, that's pretty cool. I'm anxious to get in it, see how the map looks, and start going through the tune process. Wrap that thing up. It made 196 horsepower to the tire, 237 foot-pounds of torque. Not bad for these, a little bit more than normal. Typical power curve, makes a bunch in the, you know, right at 3,000 or so, and it's all done by 5. We were turning it to 52. That was making peak power right at 4,900. But it is a work in progress, obviously, but should be a decent driver for him. A little bit of fun. And be interesting to see what it does with the forced induction he plans to do on it down the road. So thanks for watching.